Hello, today we're going to be doing LeetCode question 773, sliding puzzle. This is a hard level question and is BFS or breadth first search based. So this is pretty similar to the question 752, open the lock, that I did a video on like a week ago, I think. But I think the one main different thing is just really the way you find the answers. First, we're going to make our BFS framework. Oh, actually, the description. On a 2x3 board, there are 5 tiles represented by the integers 1 through 5, and a non-empty square, and an empty square represented by 0. A move consists of choosing 0 and a 4 directionally adjacent number and swapping it. So, up, down, left, right. No diagonals. The state of the board is solved if and only if the board is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clear. Given a puzzle board, return the least number of moves required so that the state of the board is solved. If it is impossible for it to be solved, return -1. Alright. So, BFS framework. We want to get a string of my starting board. So what I want to do for row in board, so 2 rows, and then for I in row, S. Basically, I just add the string I because it's an integer, and then actually I'll call it start because it's a starting board, right? Q.append start. Wrong indentation. Alright. And then visited.add start. So we gotta put visited is equal to a set. Yeah. And this one we have to return the number of moves, so we'll have a level. And the while loop. This is just DFS, or BFS. So length of the queue. And for I in range size, current is equal to q.pop 0. And then when we're checking if our current is equal to the solved state, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, we'll just return level. And if we can't, we have to try like moving the pieces around. So self.addChild. We need our current, visited, and Q. And then we add a move. And if we can't find it, we return -1. -1. And then we define our addChild function with self current as a string, visited, and Q. And now, okay, so this question's a bit weird where, like, so, because I'm swapping, because technically 0 is a NP spot, so I want to see if my 0 is in a certain spot on the board, which indexes can I swap with it? So, if it's in the 0 spot, the 1 spot, the 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there. And I think it'll be easier if I just put a little diagram. Oh, wait. No, I messed it up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I'm in the 0 spot, I can swap with 1 and 3. If I'm in the 1 spot, I can swap with 0, 2, and 4. If I'm in the 2 spot, I can swap with 1 and 5. And if I'm in the 3 spot, I can swap with 0 and 4. If I'm in the 4 spot, I can swap with 1, 3, and 5. If I'm in the 5 spot, I can swap with 2 and 4. Let me get rid of that. So we want to find the index of our 0. So we just current.index and the value we want to find. And then for I in self.mapping, because it's because it's a global variable or a global dictionary, and then index because the 1, right, the index of the thing. And s is equal to our self, like all of the ways that I can swap. So another function here. We need our current, index, and I. And then BFS again, like framework. If s is not in visited, we will add it. S. And we don't have to return anything. We define our swap with self, our s, which is current, index, which is an integer, and I. And so basically, the first thing we do is I'll call that current actually. The first thing we do, we want a list of current. And then s is index. So this is, I'm just swapping the 0 and a certain thing. And then I know if I swap that one with the integer, I know that now this one will be the 0. And then double string, just like a name. For I in s, I just want to ss add the I, and then I can just return ss. So in our code, I have to assign it start like that. Renash. Okay, accepted. Let's submit and accepted. Oh, what is ew? Okay, what happened there? But yeah, that's okay there. But that's question 773, sliding puzzle on LeetCode. Thank you. Goodbye.